Bonjour ma chérie, tu me manques. I miss you. I miss you so much. But here we are doing some français. Leçon 3. Leçon 3. That is our lesson for today. So let's talk about, now that we know all of our pronouns, I, you for familiar people or single people. Okay, you, I'm gonna put an S for singular. Il, elle, on, those all conjugate the same. He, she, or er, one. Nous, we. You, like you all. Oops, you all. And il and elle is they. They masculine, they feminine. Okay? All right, this is he, she, one. Okay, so we know those. Now, let's focus on all those ER verbs that we learned day one. Where are they all? Let's see. All of these great verbs. Okay? All of them end in ER. Manger, regarder, jouer, écouter, étudier, aimer, etc., etc. So let's figure out how we conjugate them for each one. Now in English, it's true we conjugate our verbs. You probably don't even know it. The conjugation in English is actually really easy, but think about it. Like the verb to eat in English. To eat. You don't have to write this down, but I just wanted to show you. So to eat is the verb, okay? So if we want to say I eat, it's just like that. You eat. It's the same. But now he eats. We got a new ending. She eats. Okay, and then it's we eat, y'all eat, and they eat. Okay, so it's easy because it doesn't change a lot with this kind of verb, except for here. But in French, there are lots of different verb endings, and you really do just get used to them. And ER verbs are there's so many ER verbs. It is the most common kind of verb, the ones that end in ER. And the endings are pretty easy, and I'm even going to sing a song with you. Oh, I wonder if I can share you on my song. I'm going to see if I can. Okay, so for sure, let's take the verb. What should we do? No, let's not do manger because it gets kind of wonky. Let's do the verb parler, to speak, like I speak French. Parler, parler. Okay, so if we want to say I speak, what we do is we take the stem. So the stem of the word is parle. Okay. And we add a new ending. So we got to take the ER away. We take the stem, parle, and we add the new ending. So for je, the ending is just an E. So it becomes parle. Like that. Je parle. Okay? For tu, we take the stem and we add an ES. It sounds exactly the same, but it's spelled with an S. So, tu parles. You speak. For he, she, or one, we take the stem, parle, and we add ni, just like for je. Il parle. Okay? For we speak, we take the stem, and we add an O-N-S, okay? Except for we don't pronounce the S. So I'm going to put like a little X through it. And it becomes nous parlons. 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 So we don't pronounce the S. Vous, you all speak French. We take the stem and we add an EZ, but it pronounces like an A. There's lots of A sounds in French. Parler, and now this one is going to sound like parler also. Vous parlez. Okay? Il and L, they. So if we want to say they speak, we take our stem and we add an E, N, T. But the weird thing is that there is no sound to this. So it is just like parle. Il, elle parle. So notice this says parle, this says parle, this says parle, and this says parle. They all sound the same, but they just have these endings. This is parlons, and this is parler. Okay? So say them with me. Parle, 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 parlons, parler, parle. Okay? I'm going to see if I can find my song because I have a song for these endings. There's a couple. Like one of them goes E E S E E E S E O N S O N S. Easy, 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 E N T, E N T. This goes to Frere Jacques. E E S E E E S E O N S O N S. Easy, 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 E N T, E N T. So there, that's how that one goes. All right, so let's go do a little review down here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a line for the verb, the ER verb, jouer. This one's not an ER verb. This one's not an ER verb. Oh my gosh, what did I do to you? This lire means to read. I gotta take that off my notes. Écrire means to write. I gotta fix my notes. All right, so jouer means to play. So what would that be connected to? What would we jouer? Un texto, sur l'internet. Un lecteur MP3 is like a song, like an MP3 player. Un livre de français is a book. Aux jeux vidéo, video games. La télévision. Un portable is a cell phone. And sur ordinateur means on the computer. Okay? So we want to, I don't like this activity. Let's just do the best that we can. Okay? So jouer, my guess is it's going to be this one. Jeux vidéo. Okay? How about écrire, to write? What would we write? We could write a texto. We could write on the computer, sur ordinateur. Let's wait on that one. How about regarder? What do we watch? Regarder. How about this one? La télé. La télé. How about envoyer, to send? What would we send? I'm guessing a texto. We would send a texto. How about surfer? Surfer. What would we surf? Ooh, I think we would surfer sur l'internet. How about lire? What would we read? Ooh, un livre de français. Un livre de français. How about écouter? What would we listen to? This is a song. Téléphoner is just like in English, to telephone somebody. What would you use to telephone somebody, to call somebody? Un portable. So now I'm guessing that this, we would écrire, like we would write on our computer. Okay? All right, I gotta fix those too because we don't have some of those vocabulary words. All right, my dear, you are going to use the pronouns and the ER verb endings that you have learned. E-E-S, E-O-N-S, O-N-S, easy, 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 E-N-T. And you are going to change them for each of these pronouns. So for example, it says complete each of the following sentences with the correct form of the appropriate verb from the list. So here we have jouer, to play, tu, and then we have to conjugate jouer. You play soccer. Le lundi means Mondays. When you have the Monday in French, it means Mondays. On Mondays, you play soccer. So we got to figure out, we got to take that ending off. Tu joues, there's our stem. And what is our ending for tu? E-E-S, E-E-E-S. Joue. Okay? How about this one? Vous, and then the word is nager, to swim. So we got to take off the ER, add the stem. You swim à la piscine means at the pool, le mardi, on Tuesdays. So what is our ending going to be for vous? Easy. Vous nagez à la piscine le mardi. Okay? So you keep going for on, elle, je, nous, il, et monsieur et madame Lutin. Okay? And then you're going to do this one too. Ask Papa if you need some help. I think you're going to do this next page too. Oh, look at that. It's a repeat. That'll be easy for you. Okay, au revoir.